Hey folks, here we are in Queenstown, New Zealand for SNOWCHEF season number 5. We are going to check out the food scene, we're going to meet lots of chefs as usual, and we're going to have some special guests in this one, local and international, and when I mean international, it's Australian. They're coming over to enjoy things. Let's do it.
It is very on par to your normal jerky.
Wow.
Jesse, how are you, buddy?
Good, mate, good.
I'm Dylan Lewis. This is SNOWCHEF, and we are at Snow Machine. Let's go! So we cover everything.
Oh, some sophisticated.
A little bit of hip hop for everyone wearing flat peak caps on the mountains. So we cover everybody.
I love that.
Wow, thank you. That looks amazing.
Hey folks, here we are in the lovely Wanaka. Hey folks, it's the bomb in here. Woo, SNOWCHEF. This guy's a maniac, he is the bomb, I tell you right now.
Let's go, SNOWCHEF!
We were trying to go to Treble Cone this morning, but yeah, Mother Nature didn't really agree with us with that one.
Boom, here we are, Mount Hutt.
I know, what an insane day. I can't believe that when I arrive, it's a bluebird. Do you ever sometimes think that it all just looks the same when it's in your belly?
It does, but we eat with our eyes.
Kia ora folks, here we are in Christchurch. Let's go.
Utilising the best New Zealand products. We pulled burrata from Nelson and some of the best beef in the country.
Bridget, we are going to do a little beer tasting, but you've got a game for me.
Professional versus an amateur.
Yeah!
Ready all the way.
If you love snow and food as much as I do, come follow us at SNOWCHEF and come along on our journey through New Zealand.